So, students, we are here talking about continuously measure of center value or measure of central tendency. In this chapter, now we will talk about mode, which denoted by capital Z. Mode is a number which has the maximum frequency in a data series. We can find out mode by putting the formula mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This is the formula to find out the mean. By using this formula you can also find out the mean, and in the various data series the mean you can find out by various other methods. There are two methods of finding out mode. First is observation method and second is grouping method. In observation method we will observe the number which has the highest frequency in a data series. We will consider that data series or that number as mode. Such as in this data series we will count which number has a maximum frequency. So 5 is occurring 2 times, 7 is occurring 1, 2 and 3 times, 8 is taking place at 1 time, 12 is taking place at 2 times. So 7 has the maximum frequency, so the mode in this data series will be 7. But the observation method does not work in all type of data series or all types of the series, all types of data. Suppose that if you have a data series which has a continuous data series, you cannot determine a particular number as a data or as a mode. Suppose that we are going to write here then some frequency here, such as like class. We are putting here class and the frequency. Suppose the class we are taking 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 50, and now we are going to write here the frequencies. We can increase it by 50 to 55. Now suppose that we are taking the frequency here 5, 7, 18, 25, 12, 7 and one more like 55 to 60, and one more is there, we are going to write here. Now how we will find out the mode in this type of data series, in this type of table where there is a continuous series? So we will use here grouping method or grouping table. Firstly we will make the grouping table. Grouping table. In this grouping table we will make some columns here, 2, 3 column, 4th and 5th and then 6. We have made here 6 columns. Now we will make some data. First, in the first column the highest frequency will be circled out. We will make the circle for the highest frequency. In second group we will make the group of 2 numbers like 5 and 7. 5 plus 7, it becomes 12. 18 plus 25, we will make the group of 2. We will take a pair of 2. 25 and 18, it becomes 43. Now 12 and 7, it becomes 19. Now the only 5 is remaining here. We will leave it here and we will go in the third group. We will make the pair of 2 here by leaving the first one. We will leave the first one 5 and then we will make the group. First group will be for 7 and 18, 7 and 18, it becomes 25. 7 and 18, 25, 25 and 12, 25 plus 12, it becomes 37. Now 7 plus 5, it becomes 12. See, in the first group we have taken as it is. In the second group we have make the pair of 2. In the third group we have make the pair of 2 by leaving the first one. In the fourth we will make the pair of 3 numbers. 5 plus 7 plus 18. We have made the group of 3, 5, 7 and 18. It becomes 30. Now 25, 12 and 7. 25 plus 12 plus 7. 25 and 12 become 37 plus 7, it becomes 44. You can use calculator also. 12 and 25 and 12 becomes 37 plus 7, 44. Now in the fifth group we will make the pair of 3 by leaving the first one. We will leave the first one and then we will make the group of 3, 7, 18 and 25. 7, 18 plus 25. We will make the group of this 25, 25 and 18, it becomes 43 plus 7, it becomes 50. Another group for 3, 12 plus 7 plus 5, 12 plus 7 plus 5, it becomes 24. Now in the sixth group we will make the pair of 3 by leaving 2 frequency from above. We will leave 5 and 7 and then we will make the group of 3. 18, 25 plus 12. 25 and 18 becomes 43 plus 12, it becomes 55. Now we will make the circle for the highest group. In the second highest group is 43. In the third the highest group is 37. In fourth group the highest group is 44. And in fifth the highest group is 55. And in the sixth the highest group is 55. Now after making this we will mark a tally marking. We will make a tally marking here. I am going to make the tally marking here right after this so that you can understand better. For the tally marking we will write all these numbers 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55. Now we'll make the group of each. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here in the first group, which is the highest frequency, is 25, which stands for 35 and 45. So 35 and 45 will get 1 tally mark in the first group. In the second group the highest is 43, which is stands for 18 and 25. 18 and 25 means 35, 30 to 35 and 35 to 45, means for 30 to 35 1 and 35 to 41. In the third stage we can see here 37, where the maximum frequency is stand for 25 5 and 12. 25 and 12 means 35 to 45 and 45 to 50. 35 to 40 and 45 to 40 to 45. Forty to 45, which was mistakenly done here. 50. Okay. Now, this next is third group, fourth group. What the fourth group is has the maximum frequency 44, which stands for 25, 12 and 7. 25, 12 and 7. 35 to 40, 45, 40 to 45, 45 to 50. So means 1, 2 and 3. Now the next is fifth, which has 55, 7, 18 and 25. 7, 18 and 25 means 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. One telemark here, one is here and one is here. Now the next will be 6th, 55, 18, 25 and 12, 18, 25 and 12, 30 to 45. Okay, now we will have the total of the telemarking. 25 to 30 get 1 telemark, it give 3 telemarks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 telemarks, and it takes 3 and it gives 1. The highest telemark is 6, which stands for 30 to 35. That's mean this is our model class. This is our model class. Now in this model class we will use the formula to find out mode. The formula is L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. Here the F1 will be the frequency and F0 will be the preceding, F2 will be proceeding. The lower limit will be L1 and the I will be the class interval. So L1 equal to 30, where F1 equal to 18, F0 equal to 7, F2 equal to 12 and I equal to the class interval 5. Now you can put the numbers in the formula and you can solve it. By solving this you will find out the mean from the class interval group or the classifying series.